If you temporarily disabled your Discord account and now you want to reactivate your Discord account, here's how you can do it. Just go to Discord login page. Enter here your account login credential and click on login. And here we can see account disabled. To reactivate the account, just click on restore account. And your disabled Discord account will be reactivated just like this. And now if your Discord account has been disabled from Discord, let's see how you can get back your disabled account. To do it, you need to open a new tab and type here Discord support. Open Discord support and now click on sign in. So to submit a request, first of all you need to create a Discord support account. So click on sign in, and now if you don't have any support account, you can just click on sign up to create a free account easily. So in my case, I'm just signing in to my support account. Once you've successfully signed in, now click on submit a request. Now what can we help you with? Click this drop down and here you have to select appeals and age updates request, and then click on how can we help, and here you have to choose appeal and action taken on my account or bot. Then what would you like to appeal? Select here an action taken on my account, and in this server ID you can mention a Discord server that you own. This is optional. And in the subject box, write your subject. So I'm just typing here appeal request for disabled Discord account. And now in this description box, you have to carefully describe that you want to get back your disabled Discord account. So just write your description and make sure to mention here your Discord account username and the email address, which email address associated with your Discord account, and then just click on submit. And then you have to wait up to 3 days to get any response from Discord team. So you can just check the email address. You get an email to your Gmail.